Hello, good evening everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, to Alan channel. Today I'm gonna cook a crispy oyster mushroom. So here we go. I prepare already 300 grams of oyster mushroom, and also in front of me I prepare for 150 grams of flour. And here you go. I also prepare for 3 tablespoons of maizena or corn flour. And also prepare here is a garlic powder, and also here I prepare for broth powder. 2 of this kind is a 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of broth powder. The broth powder you can prepare with chicken or beef, whatever you like, is optional. And also a half teaspoon of salt. And later on I gonna prepare and mix all this kind of stuff. First I gonna wash the oyster mushroom.
Ya, pencet ini.
First I wash the oyster mushroom and a little bit squish like this. Mushroom, and I a little bit squeeze so the water is gone. And also the other one here I wash off, so make sure the jar is all over and a bit squish, and be ready to cut off for this mushroom. The top here, the bone of the oyster mushroom, and then we cut like this one. So we're gonna all finish this mushroom, or we take away like this one, so it's easier and faster. Mushroom already finished. I clean up and drain for the water, and after that I mix all the stuff, the flour. I mix with the what it was called maizena flour, and I put all together the ingredients here, the garlic powder, the broth powder and salt. I put together, and then I stir the dry powder here all together, maizena, the flour, and also garlic powder, salt, and also the broth. And after that I take about 5 tablespoons of the flour that I mixed stuff already. Yes, already 4 tablespoons of mixed flour that I made. And then I put the water, and I mix it well, so it's become the liquid like the dough that we usually make a bread. This one the wet, and there is mixed well. This is the first dough that before we fried the oyster mushroom, we put the mushroom inside here first, and then afterward we put in the dry powder. Heat up the vegetable oil already here, and then the next step I put the oyster mushroom in the wet liquid like this. And then I dip in the dry flour, and afterward I just put down on the hot water, on the hot oil, and then continue to the next mushroom. dip all the mushroom to the wet and also to the dry flour. Make sure all the mushroom is covered with the flour. So the crispy of whenever the first bite, you can taste that the crispy of mushroom will be crunch in our mouth. All the mushroom that we fried over here is deep in the oil, and we wait until a couple minutes until the mushroom is turn color to golden brown. We let it for a couple minutes and let it stay like this. After the mushroom getting to change the color, the golden brown, we remove and drain the mushroom. We finish all one by one, and then let the mushroom stay for a couple minutes and drain the water out. Guys, here is the oyster crispy mushroom already done, and we're gonna serve the crispy mushroom here with the sauce. We dip it. The sauce here is consists of the ingredient is mayonnaise and also spicy sauce. So we dip in the sauce over here, and then we just enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching. See you again later on. Bye bye.